Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my October 2021 empties video. I have a small pile of empties in front of me, but I am so excited to talk about these products. I have some amazing, game-changing products that I am so excited to share with you. I have makeup, skincare, lifestyle, a good array of products here. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, I am so excited to talk about this, but also so sad that it's empty because this is my absolute favorite candle I have ever used. Oh my gosh, I just have to reminisce at the bottom. The smell is so amazing. So let me tell you what it is. So this is the Ellis Pumpkin Picking Soy Wax Blend Fine Fragrance Candle. 14.5 ounces, it has 3 wicks, and it is just the most perfect candle. It lasted so long. I would leave it on burning all day, and it lasted pretty much this entire month. I waited until it was October to burn my pumpkin picking candle, and it is just the most perfect fall October vibes. Oh, amazing. And it's so potent. I put my candle right on my entertainment stand, my TV stand when you walk into my house, and I could smell it on the very other end of my house. I could smell it upstairs, and I've never really found a candle before that is that potent that you can smell it throughout the entire house. But it wasn't so strong that it gave me a headache or anything like that. It's not that type of fragrance. It's just the most beautiful pumpkin. Let's see if it has. Here, I'll read the description. Imagine a field perfectly lined with ripe pumpkins and colorful fall leaves with your favorite fall latte in hand. This fragrance blend is made with notes of pumpkin, clove, nutmeg, and sandalwood. Enjoy the best of autumn from the comfort of your home. It's just so accurate. And so I am actually so grateful. This candle was sent to me for free from the brand homefragrances.net. So that's the website that you can find these on. This is not sponsored at all. They just were kind enough to reach out and send me a couple candles, and they've got a new customer in me because now I can't go back to any other candle. I just need to keep purchasing these. So I'll have the website linked in the description down below. It's just homefragrances.net. And this one, this Ellis Pumpkin Picking, is actually on sale right now for $15, which I think is an incredible deal for this quality of candle. So I'll definitely have that linked below if you want to jump on that. It's normally $32, but I am so excited to try out other candles from this website. They are just top notch. I am so blown away by this. Love it. If you love candles, you have to check these out. But I also think candles are an amazing gift to give someone. And as we're getting into that holiday season, maybe you want to stock up on some of these candles because they are perfect candles. Seriously, in my opinion. Okay, moving on to this one here. This is a setting spray, and it's from the brand Grace and Stella. The Spray All Day Rose Spray. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Now, I think I got this in FabFitFun or something, and it's what I'm wearing on my skin right now, and it's just amazing. It's a huge bottle. This is 240 milliliters, 8.11 fluid ounces, so this would not be travel friendly if it was in your carry-on. But I use this daily, and it lasted so long since you get so much. But so the foundation that I'm wearing right now, believe it or not, is a matte foundation. But this gives radiance, glow. It melts the foundation into the skin. And as I'm getting older, the wrinkles are coming for me, especially on my forehead. And it prevents creasing there, it smooths it out, and it just makes the makeup and the skin look so much more youthful, and I just love it. It's not very often that I find a setting spray that truly does give glow to the makeup, melts it into the skin, and lasts like that all day long. So this is so good. So those are two products that I was so excited to talk to you about. And now I actually have two toners that I used up. I have the Wander Beauty Mist Connection Essence and Toner. And then I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. So these are very different in their texture and how they felt and worked on the skin. I'll start with the Wander Beauty one. This one had more like a stronger fragrance than what I like. Yeah, I'm not sure what the smell is. It's kind of like a little bit vinegary. I mean, it's not bad. I still use the whole thing, but I wasn't too big into the fragrance. What I love about it is that it's an essence and a toner. So you're always getting so many beneficial ingredients and benefits in Wander Beauty products. But I also just am so particular with my toners. It's a spray bottle, and I just don't love the technique of spraying on my toner. I just feel like it doesn't stay where I want it to on my face as well. It doesn't like blend as well, and it's a very thin formula, which is okay, but it just wasn't my favorite type of way to apply a toner. So I think it worked nicely on the skin, and it helped the rest of my skincare like seep in better, I feel like, and prep my skin for the rest of my skincare after I wash my face. So it's a 2-in-1 mist that combines essence and toner to balance and moisturize skin in a single step. So I think it did that, but it wasn't my favorite toner I've ever used. I do prefer this Glow Recipe toner here. Once again, it's the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. And I just like the texture of this better. I like the application technique of this better. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I like the smell of this so much better. It smells like watermelon, but it's like a sweet, lighter scent. But it had almost like a thick liquid texture. So I would like put it onto my fingers and then just rub it onto my skin. And it was easier, and I feel like a little went a long way. A little bit like of a thicker feel on the skin, which I like. So I felt like it was a little bit more moisturizing. Also, pore tight is one of my main skin concerns. Like, I really want to have something that is pore tightening to help smooth and minimize my large pores that I especially have on my cheeks here. So this is just perfect for what I'm personally looking for in my toner, which I think is really up to personal preference and what your skin concerns are and how you like to apply your products. But for me, this was just all of that. I really love the brand Glow Recipe. I use a lot of Glow Recipe products. Another skincare brand that I love is Good Molecules. Oh, and I think I want to mention, I think I got the Wander Beauty sent to me for free, and the Good Molecules serum here sent to me for free, and I think also my last product here, the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So this is not a sponsored video at all. These are just such kind companies that send me their products to try out. So I love being able to do full, in-depth tryouts and reviews of these products because I have completely used them up and really been able to develop my thoughts on them so that I can give you my most accurate review and recommendations. But so this one here is the Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum, formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. So if it's not tightening my pores that I'm going after, it's exactly what this one's doing. Targeting fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Like I was saying, like as I'm getting older, the wrinkles are coming for me, and I'm just really trying to keep my skin looking as youthful as possible without getting any fillers, Botox, anything like that. And loved this. I think it's a beautiful texture. The dropper worked great. Good Molecules is very well priced and they have fantastic ingredients. I really feel like it's a brand that you can totally trust. And I was using this morning and night. So it was also great under my makeup. I didn't have any issues with pilling. It would keep my skin moisturized under my makeup. And I love incorporating a serum into my routine, and I think this was a great one to incorporate. I guess it's a little hard to measure fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness, but since I just feel like as you age, it's gonna happen. But I think I'm 28 years old. I think that my skin's looking decent. So at least this just made me feel like it could be helping with my wrinkles and maybe slowing down the wrinkles that I'm getting. So I really enjoy this and I definitely would recommend it. It's also very nice packaging with the frosted glass. And like I already did a little preview on, my final product here is from Water Beauty, the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And this is absolutely no surprise because I think I have featured this in every single Empties video that I have done this year. I always talk about these. I love them so much. I use these when I do my, what I hope to be weekly masking, but clearly I think it's been monthly. I've been really slacking on my weekly mask, skincare, self-care ritual that I'm trying to do. But when I do that, I like to put on these gold eye masks and then like a clay mask or whatever is suitable to how my skin is that day. So these are just so hydrating and they really are so comfortable on the under eyes. Like they don't dig in, they don't stick on too hard, but they do stay on, which is another thing because so many other under eye masks either slide off the face as soon as I like lift my head or move my head, or they'll be too sticky or they'll like dig into my under eyes, which that's terrible. And this is just the perfect under eye mask. I always recommend these, always use them, and I always see an improvement in my under eyes as well. Like they're completely moisturized, looking a little brighter, smoother, so love these. I'm actually in a wedding next weekend, so I should make sure to pack some of these so that the day of the wedding I can be looking as fresh, awakened, youthful as possible by wearing these as I'm getting ready that morning. So those are all of the products that I used up in the month of October. Please let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products and what your thoughts are on them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.